Hi, this is Chris from AUX Designer, and today I want to show you how to shout in AUXPlayer. So a shout is one of the most powerful functions in AUXPlayer. What we do is we set it up with like an OnClick event, so when I click a bot, it's going to shout to any bot that has a certain tag. So whatever bot can hear this shout, that is whatever bot has this tag, listen and run whatever script is in that tag. All right, so let me show you how to do it. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a context. We're going to put a few bots on it. We're going to change the color of those bots so you can see, so you can distinguish them from other bots. And then we're going to have one that we tap that has the OnClick event with the shout. All right, so let's get these all on the surface. All right, there we go. 3 bots with colors that are going to move around, and the white bot is going to have the shout in the OnClick event. So let's add that OnClick event. So in the OnClick event, we're going to add shout and then the name of the tag that we are shouting to. So we will write shout, and then in parentheses and quotations, we're going to write change places, because we're going to shout to any bot that has the tag change places, which right now is none of them. So we have to add the tag, the action tag, to these other bots. We have to add the action tag change places. So we write change places and then do open and close parentheses. And then we want that to do something. So when it shouts, we want it to do the thing that we have in this change places action tag. So we're going to do a few things. We're going to make it set to random locations. So we're going to make a variable called x. X is going to be math.random between -5 and 5. So that means it's going to put it at a random number between -5 and 5. We're going to do the same thing for y. So I'm just going to copy this. And paste it here. And then change the x to y. So that's a second variable, and here we're going to do a third variable called random places. So let random places and that is going to be set to, then we're going to need curly brackets. So this is going to change room1, which is the name of our context, room1.x, which is the x position of the bot in room 1. We're going to have that change to x, that random number between -5 and 5. And then room1.y, we are going to set to y, which is also a random number between -5 and 5. Then close those brackets and a semicolon. We're going to call a function called mod apply. We want to apply the mod random places. So mod apply this, so it'll happen on this bot. And we want to apply the mod, the variable random places. And then we wanted to do the same thing on all 3 of these bots, so we're going to copy this and paste it into the other 2, onto the other 2 bots in the action tag change places. So there it all is. Let's go into the context and let's check it out. So when I tap on this white bot, the other 3 bots are going to change places. So it is shouting to them change places, which, as we know, moves them around randomly within the context. And if we go back and we look at these bots, we can see that the tag for room 1.x and room 1.y are random numbers between -5 and 5. So that is how you shout in AUXPlayer. Thank you.